Maker.
Well, more sunshine today. A beautiful day out there. Light winds, low humidity, starting to warm up after that chilly morning. The sunshine probably going away tomorrow, at least most of it. Clouds will thicken on Friday. It may not be 100% cloudy, but probably waking up to mostly cloudy skies, maybe more breaks as the afternoon progresses. But clouds on Friday, very small chances of a sprinkle tomorrow, and not that great of a rain chance on Saturday. Maybe a couple of light showers around, but if you're looking for a good soaking rain, gonna have to wait a while. It's looking like it's still primarily dry weather for many areas, but it is warming up now, at least if you want to get outside. Upper 60s in some spots, 68 in Rio Grande City and 69 in Brownsville. And again, the air is still pretty dry. Yesterday this time we had the dew point temperature, kind of a good measure of how dry the area is, way down to kind of the bottom end of the scale. It's coming back up, but still pretty dry right now with dew points in the upper 30s and lower 40s around most areas. We will get a little more humid tonight and tomorrow, so it won't be nearly as chilly tonight. This morning, here's one last look in case you missed it earlier. It did hit freezing briefly in Rio Grande City. Most areas, though, in the upper 30s and lower 40s this morning. And again, not as chilly tonight. When you look at the temperatures forecast tonight, we're talking about mainly low 50s, so 10, 15 degrees, somewhere in that range, warmer than it was this morning. It may have clear skies this evening, but late tonight, I think some clouds may start to form as a little more moisture comes in. So it could be a little cloudy when you wake up in the morning. One thing that came out today, wanted to show you the drought monitor now pushing parts of Starr County, especially back into the extreme drought. So all of the valley has been pretty dry lately, but kind of varying degrees of dry. Some places did get a little rain at the beginning of December and then even back in October in spots. But you see how most of the valley, probably about half, is at least in moderate drought, in parts of eastern Hidalgo County, western Wilson County in the severe drought, and then the extreme drought is especially in western Starr County around Falcon Lake. So could use some rain, but what's coming our way is very spotty and very light. So sunshine today, light winds, low humidity, good day out there. By tonight, you see we are clear in the evening. My head gets in the way of that clock sometimes, doesn't it? 10 o'clock tonight, still pretty clear. And then tomorrow morning when you wake up, clouds are already starting to come in. Probably will be pretty cloudy in the morning. It's just if the clouds get thick enough, you see the little blips of green there indicating maybe a sprinkle or two, but you know, that's about it. Clouds, maybe a tiny sprinkle, but primarily just a dry day. And then by the time we get to Friday night, maybe the clouds start to break up a little bit. But you see there are a couple showers near the coast late Friday night and during the morning hours on Saturday. But again, these are, again, pretty light and few and far between. And a cold front will be coming into the area Saturday morning and afternoon. There might be a couple showers along the front, even though the model here is saying not really happening. But more than likely, almost all the rain is going to be out there off the map or up to our north. So there's a good chance we'll miss out on most of the rain with the front. But if there is some showers, mainly overnight Friday and Saturday morning toward midday, and the best chance of that over Cameron and Wilson counties near the coast. After that moves out, we could see some sun breakthrough in the afternoon on Saturday and then more sun by Sunday. Now, the rainfall forecast, again, you look at the valley as a whole, here's what one computer model is saying, but most of them not too excited about the rain either. This is the European model I put on here, but you notice it goes through Saturday, and again, hardly anything shows up on the map. A few hundredths of an inch here and there, maybe a tenth of an inch or so near the coast, but again, you get the idea that there isn't much rain coming with this front on Saturday and even late Friday night. So the weekend overall is still looking pretty quiet. Highs in the 70s on Saturday. If we do break out into more sunshine, may get a little warmer by afternoon spots. 30% chance for rain in the morning. That means 30%, about a third of the valley could see a little rain if the forecast works out, but almost all that's concentrated probably over Cameron and Wilson counties. I think if you are in Starr and Hidalgo counties, almost no rain chance. We're talking maybe 10 or 20% at the most. Near 70 on Sunday with a little bit drop of humidity Saturday night and Sunday as well. Today, highs near 70. Sunshine, still kind of cool, but a little warmer, of course, than this morning. Light easterly wind today gradually raises the humidity slightly, but it's still quite low. By tonight, it gets enough moisture in the air, a little more humidity with lows in the lower 50s. Would be on the lookout for maybe a little bit of fog tonight, except I think that there'll be just enough wind from the east and southeast to kind of stir up the air and probably keep the fog out. If the winds do somehow get a little lighter, there may be some patches of fog late tonight, but I think it probably is going to be a fog-free night nearly everywhere. And then in the first 1-5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast, this goes all the way up through next Wednesday, just before Christmas Eve, but we'll talk about the Christmas forecast later this hour, which is still looking, well, a little cooler. Highs in the low 70s today, 75 tomorrow, 74 on Saturday, near 70 on Sunday. We dropped the humidity a bit on Sunday, but still with some sunshine around. Monday and Tuesday look pretty quiet as well, with highs in the 70s. Cool mornings in the upper 40s and lower 50s. We could heat up to near 80 or warmer by Wednesday ahead of another front coming in. That front could move in Wednesday night or Thursday with a drop in temperatures for Christmas Eve. But again, we'll track that front for you later this hour with your Christmas forecast here on Channel 5 News at noon.